How to use TikTok remote scrolling, Ring for Android users. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on. The red and blue lights flash alternately. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Search for R2 and connect to it. Use the up and down buttons to switch between videos. Press the OK button to play or pause. Double-click the OK button to like the video. Long press the up and down buttons to scroll slowly through comments. Long press the OK button for 5 seconds to like the live stream continuously. Tap OK again to cancel. Long press the left or right button to adjust the volume. Click the right button to view the profile page. And click the left button to return to the video page. Double-click the camera button to take photos or videos in the TikTok app. It can also control the original camera to take photos and videos. Click the OK button to focus. Click the camera button to take a photo. You can long press the down and up buttons to slowly turn the page. After turning off the continuous scrolling, you can remotely turn the pages forward or backward to read e-books.